Have you ever found yourself tapping your foot to the infectious rhythm of a lively Irish session, wondering about the source of that driving, earthy beat? It is a sound that instantly transports you to the heart of Ireland, a vibrant pulse underlying jigs and reels alike. That powerful rhythmic foundation often comes from the bodhrán, a traditional Irish frame drum. It is typically played by striking its goatskin head with a specialized stick, known as a tipper or beater, while simultaneously manipulating the drumhead with the other hand to alter the tone and pitch. The secret to the bodhrán's distinctive sound lies in a combination of its simple construction and the player's technique. The drum itself consists of a round wooden frame, a stretched animal skin head, most often goatskin, and sometimes an internal crossbar for support. The tipper, crafted from wood, bone, or even multiple pieces, allows 4 various striking patterns. The non-striking hand, placed inside the drum and pressed against the skin from behind, acts as a dynamic dampener, creating an astonishing range of percussive sounds from deep bass notes to crisp, high taps. To begin playing, first, hold the bodhrán against your body, usually nestled on your thigh or knee, with one arm supporting the frame and your non-striking hand positioned inside, against the back of the drumhead. Next, grip the tipper. Many players use a pencil grip, holding it loosely in the middle, allowing for fluidity. Now, practice striking the drumhead. A common technique is the top-end, bottom-end strike, where you move your wrist up and down, hitting with alternating ends of the tipper to create a continuous roll. Experiment with different parts of the drumhead. Striking near the rim produces a higher, sharper sound, while hitting the center creates a deeper tone. As you become more comfortable with the striking hand, incorporate your non-striking hand. By applying varying pressure with your palm or fingers against the inside of the skin, you can control the tension of the head, thereby changing the pitch and sustain of each note. This dampening technique is what gives the bodhrán its expressive range, allowing a skilled player to create a melodic percussive line rather than just a simple beat. Master drummers can also use different tippers, from solid wooden ones to brushes and double-ended designs, each offering a unique timbre. The bodhrán is more than just a drum. It is the rhythmic heartbeat of Irish music. Learning to play allows you to actively participate in the joyous energy of traditional sessions, bringing a deep, resonant layer to the tunes. By mastering the coordination between your striking hand and the subtle control of your non-striking hand, you will unlock a world of rich, percussive expression, connecting deeply with an iconic piece of Irish culture.